Here are today's biggest moves on the Indian stock market, analyzed straight from the exchange filings by flashfinance.news. 10 stories, ordered by market value from the largest company down, what changed, the key numbers, why it matters, and what to watch. Let's get into it. Story 1. Power Grid Corporation of India. Power Grid wins Gujarat retransmission project at Rs 822.91 crore annual tariff. What changed? Power Grid secured the LOI under competitive bidding for a major renewable evacuation transmission corridor in Gujarat. The key numbers. Discovered tariff, Rs 822.91 crore per annum. Annual tariff versus TTM revenue, ~1.86%. Target capacity, 6,500 megawatts. LOI receipt date, 21st August 2026. Why it matters? Adds a predictable long-term recurring revenue stream of Rs 822.91 crore annually upon commissioning, expanding Power Grid's regulated asset base in renewable energy corridors. What to watch? Track the formal SPV acquisition, construction start, and capital expenditure timeline to ensure execution stays on track for commissioning and revenue capitalization. Story 2. Vishal Mega Mart. Vishal Mega Mart reappoints Gunendra Kapoor as MD and CEO for a 5-year term. What changed? Mr. Gunendra Kapoor has been reappointed and redesignated as founder, MD and CEO for a fresh 5-year term starting 1st September 2026. The key numbers. New appointment tenure, 5 years, 1st September 2026 to 31st August 2031. Original term expiry date, 26 June 2027. Industry experience, over 42 years. Why it matters? Ensures long-term leadership stability and execution continuity for VMM's aggressive store rollout in Tier 2 plus markets and high-margin private label mix. What to watch? Track the upcoming shareholder voting outcome approving the reappointment and remuneration terms at the general meeting. Story 3. Kaplan Point Laboratories. Kaplan Steriles receives US FDA Form 483 with 10 observations at Gummidipundi site. What changed? US FDA concluded an unannounced audit at Kaplan Steriles Gummidipundi facility, issuing 10 Form 483 observations. The key numbers. Form 483 observations, 10. Inspection start date, 13th August 2026. Inspection end date, 21st August 2026. TTM revenue context, Rs 2,287 crore. Why it matters? The Gummidipundi sterile facility produces injectables and ophthalmics critical to Kaplan's US front-end expansion. Regulatory clearance is required to avoid product approval or supply delays. What to watch? Track the submission of the response within the 15-day regulatory window and subsequent classification by the US FDA, example VAI or OAI status EIR issuance. Story 4. Apollo Microsystems. SEBI directs open offer for 26% stake in Premier Explosives at Rs 698 share post CCI clearance. What changed? SEBI issued clearance guidelines linking the commencement of the open offer tendering timeline directly to the receipt of CCI approval. The key numbers. Shares to acquire, 1,39,77,911 shares, 26.00%. Offer price per share, 698 rupees. Total open offer value, Rs 975.66 crore. Open offer versus TTM revenue, ~95.5%. Open offer versus net worth, ~73.7%. Delay interest rate, 10% per annum. Why it matters. A successful 26% acquisition in Premier Explosives deepens Apollo's footprint in military and aerospace explosives, but requires significant funding, rupees 975.66 crore versus net worth of rupees 1,323 crore. What to watch? Track the receipt of Competition Commission of India, CCI, approval and the subsequent announcement of the formal tendering window dates. Story 5. Zee Entertainment Enterprises. ZEL allots 20.94 crore warrants to promoter group entity to raise up to rupees 2,639 crore. What changed? ZEL has formally allotted 20.94 crore convertible warrants to promoter entity Sunbright Mauritius Investments, receiving rupees 659.76 crore upfront. The key numbers. Warrants allotted 20 crores 94 lakhs 47,805. Issue price per warrant rupees 126. Upfront cash received 25% rupees 659.76 crore. Total issue size versus market cap 25.8%. Post conversion stake 17.90%. Why it matters. Provides a total capital infusion of up to rupees 2,639 crore, 25.8% of market cap, at an issue price, rupees 126, above current market price, strengthening the balance sheet and significantly raising promoter group skin in the game from the current 4.0% base. What to watch? Track the deployment of the initial rupees 659.76 crore cash inflow into core digital regional growth initiatives and watch the timeline for remaining warrant conversion tranches over the 18-month period. Story 6. India Glycols. Demerger record date set for 2nd September 2026, 1-3 for Ennature Bio and 1-1 for IGL Spirits. What changed? Formalized the execution timeline, effective date, 1st September 2026, record date, 2nd September 2026, and share entitlement ratios for the demerger of its spirits and biopharma businesses. The key numbers. Record date, 2nd September 2026. Effective date, 1st September 2026. Ennature Bio Pharma entitlement, 1 share for every 3 held. IGL Spirits entitlement, 1 share for every 1 held. Face value per share, 5 rupees. Why it matters? Enables value unlocking by carving out the high-margin potable spirits and nutraceuticals biopharma verticals into separately listed pure-play entities alongside the core biochemical business. What to watch? Track the ex-date price adjustment in India Glycols shares ahead of 2nd September 2026 and watch for subsequent regulatory notifications regarding the listing dates of the 2 newly formed entities. Story 7. KPI Green Energy. KPI Green's arm to acquire DMGEL for rupees 55.80 crore via CCPS swap. What changed? Subsidiary Sun Drops Energia approved acquiring up to 100% equity of DMGEL, turning DMGEL into a step-down subsidiary of KPI Green Energy. The key numbers. Acquisition valuation, rupees 55.80 crore. Target FY26 turnover, rupees 213.98 crore. Target FY25 turnover, rupees 150.04 crore. CCPS to be issued, up to 15,89,781 CCPS. Target revenue versus KPI Green TTM revenue, 7.7%. Expected completion date, 30th September 2026. Why it matters? Expands technical and EPC execution capabilities in solar, rooftop, and BESS without cash outflow, integrating an entity generating rupees 214 crore in annual revenue. What to watch? Track shareholder approvals and final closure targeted by 30th September 2026, as well as the dilution terms upon CCPS conversion in Sun Drops. Story 8. Bhagiratha Chemicals and Industries. Indra assigns, in BBB Plus stable, to Bhagiratha Chems arm for Rs 600 crore facilities. What changed? Credit rating agency Indra assigned an investment grade rating of in BBB Plus stable for Rs 600 crore bank facilities of subsidiary Bhima Fine Chemicals. The key numbers. Rated bank loan facilities, 6,000 million Indian rupees. Total project capex outlay, 9,500 million Indian rupees. Capex incurred, June 2026, 6,000 million Indian rupees. Capacity addition, 9,000 MTPA. Total group capacity post-capex, 12,250 MTPA. Why it matters? Secures banking lines and formalized credit evaluation for Bhagiratha's massive Rs 950 crore expansion project, larger than its FY26 revenue of Rs 536 crore, which nearly quadruples group manufacturing capacity. What to watch? Track the commissioning and utilization ramped up of phase 2 capacity across FY27-FY28 and monitor debt reduction as operating cash flows normalize. Story 9. Premier Explosives. SEBI updates Apollo Micro's 26% open offer at Rs 698 share, tendering post-CCI approval with 10% interest. What changed? SEBI denied the acquirer's request for an interest waiver and structured the open offer timeline to begin within 12 working days after CCI clearance, mandating a 10% PA interest payment on delayed settlement. The key numbers. Offer price per share, 698 rupees. Shares to be acquired, 1,39,77,911. Stake in target company, 26.00%. Annual interest rate for delay, 10% per annum. Tendering timeline post-CCI approval, within 12 working days. Why it matters? A 26% stake acquisition by Apollo Microsystems could lead to strategic consolidation or management synergies in defense electronics and explosives, while offering public shareholders an exit window at Rs 698 plus delay interest. What to watch? Track the receipt of CCI approval for Apollo Microsystems, which will trigger the 12-day window for the opening of the open offer tendering period. Story 10. Veranda Learning Solutions. NCLT Chennai approves composite scheme and demerger of J.K. Shah Commerce Education. What changed? NCLT Chennai has formally sanctioned the composite scheme of arrangement for the amalgamation of Veranda Excel and the demerger of J.K. Shah Commerce Education. The key numbers. NCLT order date, 20th August 2026. ROC filing window, within 30 days. Company market cap, Rs 1044 crore. TTM revenue, Rs 429 crore. Why it matters? Secures key regulatory approval to demerge and list the flagship commerce test prep vertical, unlocking value and streamlining Veranda's core operations. What to watch? Track the filing of the certified order with the ROC to confirm the effective date, followed by the announcement of the record date for share allotment in the resulting company. That's today's market wrap. For the full AI analysis of every NSE and BSE filing, visit flashfinance.news. Like and subscribe for daily market updates. Educational analysis, not investment advice.